Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a pasta salad. As you can see, I'm using it as a side dish, but this is also great for family gatherings or a potluck. So come on, let's get started. You'll be needing a box of pasta, any kind you prefer, some black olives, Italian dressing, salad supreme, and veggies. I'm using a bell pepper, carrots, and some broccoli. I'm going to start off by cooking the pasta. I have a pot of boiling water. I'm going to add some olive oil and some garlic salt. Once it starts to boil, I'm going to add the pasta, give a little mix, and wait until this is done. Then I'll go ahead and rinse it. Now I'm going to get started by cleaning and chopping up my veggies. I'm going to go ahead and dice the bell peppers and add it to the bowl. I have my carrots already clean. I'm going to use this veggie peeler and shred my carrots. You could also buy the bags already pre-shredded at the stores, but I prefer to do it this way. Once you finish shaving the carrots, just go ahead and add it to the bowl along with the bell peppers. Now for the broccoli. I cooked my broccoli for 2 minutes in the pasta water just because I like cooked broccoli. I don't like the raw broccoli. That's just my preference. You don't have to do that. Now I'm going to go ahead and slice the broccoli and add it to the bowl. Once you have all your veggies added to the bowl, go ahead and add your drained can of black olives and your pasta. And your McCormick salad supreme. I never measure this, I always just pour it on top. You could use as much as you like. I like to use a lot of it. Go ahead and add the Italian dressing. For 1 box of pasta, I usually use half the bottle of the Italian dressing. Just go ahead and give it a good mix. You could also eyeball it to see if you need more of the salad supreme or if you need more dressing. I'm gonna add a little bit more dressing. More salad supreme. Just mix it all together. Once I'm done mixing it, I like to add some more salad supreme on top. And this is the end results. This is so great to take for a family gathering or your potlucks for work or just a simple side dish for your evening meal. I hope you guys all enjoy the recipe. Thank you so much for watching and taking the time to do so. Have a good day.